Ma'am, ma'am.
So a very good morning, students. I hope that you all are well at your homes. So let's start our computer class. So in our last class, we were in this chapter called chapter 8, whose name is Programming with Cubasis. In our last class, we had read this chapter. हमने reading की थी इस chapter की, and today I'll explain this chapter to you all. As you can see on your screen over there, starting with QBasis. So here you can see this is QBasis window, and it's very important. Understand? So you all have to learn this window, how to draw this window, and some components which are given here. Title bar, it is located at the top of the window. As you can see, it has a minimize, maximize, and a close button here. This is title bar. Menu bar, it is located just below the title bar. You can see the file menu, edit, view, search, run, these types of options are given here. Working area, this is working area where people used to work. Name of the program, it displays the name of the current program. By default, the name is Untitled, but after that we can save it by our name. जो भी जिस नाम से save करना चाहें, we can save it. Status bar, here you can see this is status bar. It shows, it displays the shortcut key for various command. अगर हम shortcut key use करते हैं तो यहाँ पर show होता है. How to create a new program, here you can see the following steps are given. Click the file menu, select new from sub menu, and control, or you can press Ctrl+N. A new program opens with the name Untitled. As you can see here, this type of window will open, as you can see in this picture. How to save the program? File menu, save from sub menu, and or you can press Ctrl+S key. This is a shortcut key to save the program, and it will be saved. This window will open when it will be saved. So you can locate the drive, whatever name, with whatever name you have saved. जिस भी नाम से आप सेव किए होंगे, आपको यहाँ पर दिखेगा कि आपने इस नाम से इस जगह पे प्रॉपर इस प्लेस पे लोकेशन पे आपने सेव किया है. The program will be saved with the extension of .bas. .bas के extension के साथ program save हो जाएगा. Opening an existing file. How to open it? You have, for opening it, you have to go in QBasis program. You have to follow these steps. Ctrl+O from, or you can click file menu and then you can open. So here 8.5, you can see here the selecting open from file menu. The option is given here, and through this, by clicking this open, we can open the existing file. This type of dialog box will appear in front of you. Figure 8.6, you can see the path is given. Through this we can understand that हमारा जो particular file है वो कहाँ पे रखी है, desktop में है, C drive में है, किस जगह पर, D drive में है, like this. Select the program from files list box. Through this we can select our programs. यहाँ पे हमने जितने भी program बनाए हैं, it will be shown here. We have to just select it. Next is running a QBasis program. How to run a QBasis program? To run a program, to see the output to run a QBasis program, follow the steps. Click the run menu. Here you can see the run menu is given. Then click start from sub menu. Here the in sub menu start option is there. We have to click start. Press F5 from the keyboard, or you can press F5. The two options are there. Figure 8.7, you can see the output screen appears showing results. This type of result will show the output screen in the output screen. Understand? Now page number 114, existing a QBasis program. How to exit from the QBasic program. After doing your work, you need to exit. So how to exit that? To exit from QBasis program, follow the steps. File menu and the sub menu. In sub menu, there will be exit option. उस पे क्लिक करके हम exit हो सकते हैं. If the program is not saved, it will not prompt you to save the program. It will prompt you to save the program. मतलब अगर प्रोग्राम सेव नहीं है, अगर आपने Ctrl+S या फिर फाइल मेन्यू में जाकर सेव नहीं किया है, तो आपको वो बाहर नहीं निकलने देगा प्रोग्राम, जब तक आप उसको सेव नहीं करते हो. अंडरस्टैंड? So this will happen. Next is element of QBasis. You can see on your screen, a QBasis program has the following elements. This topic is very important. Constant, numeric constant, string constant, or alphanumeric constant. You have to learn it. This is our answer of one of the question also. Constants are the values that cannot change during the execution of the program. There are two types of constant, numeric constant and strict constant of alphanumeric constant. Numeric constant hold only numbers with or without decimal points, positive or negative. You can see 5, 6.75, -12, etc. String constant or alphanumeric constants hold alphabets, words, characters, and numbers within double quotes. So here you can see hi is written in you can see double quotes, means inverted comma in English we used to say that. So it is written, the numbers and alphabet are together written here. The alphabets are written, capital alphabets are written into the double quotes, the inverted comma you can say, etc. Variables. What are variables? Variable is a location of computer's memory. Variables क्या होते हैं? It's a location of computer's memory. It can be used to store any numeric or alphanumeric value. ये कोई भी alphanumeric या फिर numeric value को सेव करके रखता है, स्टोर करके रखता है. You need to declare a variable to assign a value to the variable. The value in the variable does not remain constant. जो वैल्यू होती है वेरिएबल में वो कांस्टेंट नहीं रहती, वो एक जैसी नहीं होती है, वो चेंज हो सकती है. Two types of variables, numeric variables, string variable, alphanumeric variables. As you can see here, you have to read it and you will find out that what are numeric variables and string variables. Holds only numeric constant. Numeric variables holds only numeric constant, like you can see here. The numeric variables must start with an alphabet. जो numeric variable है वो हमेशा start होता है with capital letters, any alphabets. The remaining characters may be alphabet or digit. जो बाकी के digits होते हैं, first letter तो जो होगा वो alphabet होगा, लेकिन बाकी के rest of वो alphabet हो सकते हैं या फिर digit भी हो सकते हैं. No special character, कोई special character नहीं हो सकता. For example, you can see A7, B60, ABC, 345, etc. String variables क्या होते हैं? Alphanumeric, similar to numeric variables, but should have dollar sign. उसमें dollar sign होना जरूरी है string variables में और alphanumeric variables. Understand? You can see here, for example, A7 $, B60 $, ABC $, etc. Mathematical operators. Here some mathematical operators are also given. You can see the signs plus, minus, multiplication sign, slash, which shows for divide, and this symbol shows it raise the first number by the second number. This is divide sign for dividing the values by second. This is multiplies two value, minus to subtract the second value from the first. So it adds two value. The operators are executed in the following order. This is the order. QBasis will first check for operation within parentheses. Then it will calculate exponentations before other arithmetic operation. Thirdly, it will do multiplication and division. Lastly, it will carry out addition and subtraction. इसी order में execute होता है operation. Syntax. What are syntax? Syntax refers to the rules or guidelines for writing a correctly formed statement. If a statement has an incorrect syntax, the program will not get execute. Syntax जो है सही होना बहुत important होता है. It will display syntax error on the status bar. Here you can see, you will see a error message will come. This is the error message which is written here in the blue line input, you can see. So it will show that the error is there in your program. 8.11 figure. Syntax error message is in Cubasis. This picture is also very important. Commands. What are commands? 8.8.5. Commands are the instruction that needs to be input to the computer to get desired output. Each command has a particular syntax. It is very important. CLS commands. This command clear the existing contents in the screen. When you start a program with a CLS command, the output of previous program is removed and screen becomes blank because of this CLS command. Print command, this command displays the output in the screen. The print command can be followed by a mathematical expressions. You can see to print a string constant, always enclose it with double quotes like this. With double quotes, we have to write any program like print welcome to Cubasis program. To print a numeric constant, just write it after print. Print के बाद हम अगर हमें numeric constant लिखना है तो without any double quotes we can write number only. let command. We already know that variables has the name and stores a value. This command is used to assign or provide a value to a variable. Let p is equal to 100. This statement assign the value 100 to the variable p. rem commands. This command is used to add comments to the program. अगर हमें कोई comments add करने हैं किसी program में, then we can through giving this command rem command, we can add any type of comment. You can see here rem, this is a sample program, or you can put through this single quote, not double quote. Single quote करके rem command डाल के हम ये अपना program वहां पर insert कर सकते हैं. Next is input command. You can see input command. It allows the user to enter values while the program is running. This command will print and wait for the user to enter the value. Like this. This is an input command. जब हम input करते हैं कोई भी value, so हम input command के through जो भी value हम चाहते हैं वो हम enter कर सकते हैं जब program running हो रहा हो तो. You can see here in the picture also. Explanation is given here. You all have to read this explanation also. End command, how to use this end command? This command is usually given at the end of the program to end our program. Statement written after end are not executed since the program terminates execution or reading this command. Code are given here. For example, these codes are given. You can use this code for some kind of program. Like in this example, the program is written to calculate the area of rectangle. For calculate the area of rectangle, this code is given. Cubasis program for finding area of rectangle. Here you can see in this picture, the area of a code, the area of a rectangle is has been found through a code, through putting a code. Like rem command, a program to find area of rectangle. With CLS command, then input command, what is length of the rectangle? Input command, what is the breadth of rectangle? Let area L minus length minus breadth is written, but it should be plus. Print, the area of rectangle is area and it is end. So this is program which has been made here through the example. The output of the above program is as follows. This output will come. What is the length of the rectangle? 30. What is the breadth of the rectangle? 20. What is the area of the rectangle? Is 600. Oh, actually it is multiplication. No? Understand? So I hope you understood that output of the program to find the area of the rectangle. So here the rem commands as a comment to the program. The let command assign two variables L and B, length and breadth. Then the input command allows the user to enter the L and B. Then the let command assigned another variables area to store the calculation of the area of the rectangle. Then the print command prints the output. Finally, the end command terminates the program. Conditional statement. Many times the program certain commands are executed based on the condition. You can see here these are some conditions through the program works sometimes. If then else command. If s is equal to 10, then print ready, else print not ready. This is an example of if then else command. Here the if statement checks whether the argument is true or not. If the argument is not true, i.e. s is equal to 10, then QBasis will execute the code after then command i.e. print ready. अगर कमांड सही है कि नहीं, पहले कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम उसको चेक करता है. अगर वो सही रहता है, ट्रू रहता है, तो वो प्रिंट आगे के लिए प्रोसेस कर देता है. और अगर सही नहीं रहता है तो प्रोग्राम वहीं पे रुक जाता है और एक एरर मैसेज शो होने लग जाता है दैट दिस कमांड व्हिच यू हैव गिवन इज नॉट करेक्ट. So here some coding are given also. Let us try the simple program snippet using if then else command. This is coding given here. If you have computer, then you can use this command in your computer and you can try it. QBasis if then else command. You can see here. Through the command, it is this book में समझाया गया है that how to create any program or how to work in through these if then else command or all these commands which are given in your book, how to work on them. The output of the program is as follows. You can see this type of message will, when the argument is false, sorry, you are wrong, this type of message will appear. When the argument is true, if the argument is true, then it will be written like you are right. Later, the number of days in leap year is 366. Program will also do argument with you sometimes. If your work is like wrong, whatever you are putting in, whatever your program or code, your command you are giving, that is wrong, then it will, the program will else say you like you are right or you are wrong. Output of QBasis if then else command. For example, it is given simple program using QBasis. Write a program to calculate the circumference of circle. Here is a coding are given to create a program to find out the circumference of circle. किसी भी सर्कल का circumference जो भी हमको find करना है circumference, तो उसके थ्रू हम क्या कमांड देंगे, क्या कोडिंग हम इनपुट करेंगे अपने टाइमलाइन में, ताकि हमारा जो हमको करेक्ट आउटपुट है वो मिल सके. Here the example is given. As you can see here, write the program to converting the kilo to pound. अब हमें किलो को कन्वर्ट करना है पाउंड में, तो जो हमको कोडिंग यहाँ पे इनपुट करनी है वो यहाँ पे दी है. CLS, फिर इनपुट, फिर डबल कोट्स, व्हाट इज द वेट ऑफ किलोग्राम, डबल कोट क्लोज एंड के, लेट LET कमांड, फिर पाउंड, फिर K into 2.2, फिर प्रिंट डबल कोट, द पाउंड इज इक्वल टू डबल कोट, देन यहाँ पे कलन एंड पाउंड, फिर इंट, and the answer will be here. The output will be like here. The output of the program is here. The pound is 22. What is the weight of kilogram? The weight of kilogram is, the weight of kilogram is 10 and the output is 22. So here the output we got. Finally came to the end of the chapter, key terms. So you all have to learn these key terms. They are very important. Understand, and you try to understand that in exam most of the questions are coming out inside from your book. Understand, book के अंदर से आ रहे हैं most of the question. So you all have to read it. Move to the exercise of this chapter. What is the answer? The values of a dash cannot be changed during the execution of the program.
Content.
Yes. Constant. The answer will be constant. Constant. Next is dash variable must start with alphabets. Answer?
Numeric.
Alphabetic.
Numeric.
Numeric.
Numeric variables must start with alphabet. अभी हमने पढ़ा है ना कि न्यूमरिक अल्फाबेट, न्यूमरिक वेरिएबल है वो हमेशा स्टार्ट होना चाहिए अल्फाबेट से. The dash command is used to assign values to variables.
LET.
Yes, let command. The dash command allows the user to enter a value while program is running.
Input.
Yes, very good. Input. पढ़ाई कर रहे हो लगता है. Very good. Next, the dash command displays the output of the screen.
Print.
Yes, of course. Print command जब हम देते हैं तो हमको आउटपुट मिल जाता है स्क्रीन में कि हमारा आंसर जो भी है वो हमको दिख जाता है. Next, move to true or false. QBasic is the user-friendly and simple programming language. True or false?
True, ma'am. True.
Yes, it's true. The keyboard shortcut to run a QBasis program is Control plus R.
False. False.
False. The string variable must end with a $sign.
True.
True.
Yes, it's true. $sign के साथ string variable end होना चाहिए. The let command adds a comment to a QBasis program.
False, ma'am.
False. Yes. And the last one, the single quote can be used to place the rem command. It's true.
True, ma'am.
Yes, very good. So I hope you all have done this exercise. Question and answers I will send you with the video after some time on your WhatsApp group. Okay, so students, that's all for today's class. We'll meet in the next class and start the next chapter. We'll start the next chapter, which is Adobe Flash, I guess.
Okay, ma'am. Good day, ma'am. Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
good day, students. Take care. Bye-bye.